Imagine a world where machines don't just follow instructions, but think, learn, and adapt to solve problems. Welcome to the era of AI agents. These incredible systems are reshaping industries, enhancing daily life, and solving challenges we once thought were impossible. Can you picture it? Machines that not only assist us, but actually understand what we need. It's a game changer, isn't it? In this video, we'll dive into how these intelligent agents are transforming everything around us, from automating tedious tasks to creating solutions that are smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever before. So stick around, because this journey into the world of AI agents is one you won't want to miss. What are AI agents? They're autonomous systems designed to perform specific tasks by perceiving their environment, making decisions, and taking actions to achieve predefined goals. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? AI agents are built on the principles of artificial intelligence. That's what gives them the ability to learn, adapt, and interact dynamically with users or systems. Think about it. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems, self-driving cars, even chatbots. These aren't just tools, they're game changers, reshaping the way we interact with technology. Amazing, right? How do AI agents differ from traditional AI? Let's break it down. First, the goal. AI agents are designed to perform tasks autonomously, often in dynamic and interactive environments. Traditional AI, it focuses on solving specific static problems, usually with predefined rules or training. Next, autonomy. AI agents operate independently. They make decisions on their own, which is incredible, isn't it? But traditional AI, it typically relies on user input or strict predefined rules to function. What about the environment? AI agents thrive in dynamic, often unpredictable environments. They adapt as needed. Traditional AI, on the other hand, is generally limited to controlled, static, or predefined scenarios. And learning ability? AI agents frequently use machine learning or reinforcement learning, so they're always improving. Traditional AI may or may not include learning. Often it just relies on fixed algorithms or models. Finally, interactivity. AI agents actively engage with users, other agents, or systems to achieve their goals. It's what makes them so dynamic. Traditional AI? It often lacks real-time interactivity, only providing output when prompted. Think about it. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, game-playing agents, autonomous robots, customer service bots. These are AI agents built to interact, adapt, and improve. Traditional AI, it's like spam filters, image classification models, or diagnostic systems. The difference is huge, isn't it? AI agents are transforming what technology can do for us. It's amazing! In healthcare, AI agents are revolutionizing diagnostics by analyzing medical images and predicting diseases earlier than ever before. It's incredible, isn't it? These agents don't just stop there. They personalize treatment plans by learning from patient data, tailoring care in ways we've only dreamed of. And get this, they can even assist in robotic surgeries, ensuring unparalleled precision and safety every step of the way. Can you imagine the possibilities? It's truly amazing. AI agents are vital for environmental sustainability, and their impact is nothing short of amazing. They monitor deforestation, track wildlife populations, and even predict natural disasters like hurricanes, helping us act before it's too late. It's incredible, isn't it? But that's not all. These agents optimize resource management in smart cities, ensuring efficient energy usage and conserving water where it's needed most. Think about it: smarter cities, safer environments, and a more sustainable future. It's a game changer, don't you think? In transportation, AI agents are transforming how we move and deliver goods. They manage traffic flow with smart systems, reducing congestion and making our commutes smoother than ever. Logistics companies, they're using AI to optimize delivery routes, cutting down time and fuel costs, and making operations way more efficient. And let's talk about autonomous vehicles, like Tesla's self-driving cars. These cars enhance road safety by responding to hazards faster than any human ever could. It's incredible, isn't it? Think about it: safer roads, less congestion, and smarter transportation for everyone. Now that's a game changer. AI agents are opening doors to incredible new possibilities. From automating manufacturing to analyzing financial markets, These systems are driving efficiency, innovation, and problem solving, all at an unprecedented scale. Can you imagine? Machines that not only streamline processes, but actually redefine how we solve challenges. It's amazing, isn't it? The future with AI agents is here, and it's brighter than ever. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI agents have the potential to displace jobs, creating significant challenges for the workforce. And it doesn't stop there. Ethical concerns like bias, data privacy, and accountability must be addressed. Think about it. Who's responsible when an AI system makes a mistake? It's a tough question, isn't it? Finally, regulation and governance are absolutely crucial. Without them, how can we ensure the responsible development and deployment of these systems? It's a balancing act, harnessing the power of AI while ensuring it works for everyone. The future depends on it. AI agents are the backbone of smart homes, and their capabilities are just amazing. They automate everyday tasks, like adjusting temperature controls to keep your home just right. They also enhance security with advanced surveillance systems that help protect what matters most. And get this, they even manage energy usage efficiently. Can you imagine? A home that's not only smarter, but also helps you save energy and live more sustainably. It's incredible, isn't it? In education, AI agents are changing the game. They personalize learning by adapting to each individual's unique needs. Whether it's recommending courses that match your interests or identifying weak areas to help you improve, these agents make education more accessible and effective than ever before. Can you imagine? A system that truly understands how you learn best and helps you succeed. It's incredible, isn't it? The future of education is here, and it's powered by AI. In entertainment, AI agents are creating tailored experiences that are nothing short of amazing. From personalized movie recommendations that seem to know exactly what you want to watch, to interactive gaming content that pulls you in like never before. These agents make leisure activities more engaging and immersive. Can you imagine? Your entertainment designed just for you. It's incredible, isn't it? AI is transforming the way we relax and have fun, and the possibilities are endless. AI agents are transforming how we live, how we work, and how we solve problems. They hold the incredible potential to revolutionize every sector, from healthcare to education to entertainment. And here's the best part. They're not just solving today's challenges, they're preparing us for the challenges of tomorrow. But you know what's key? Innovating responsibly. By doing that, we can unlock the full potential of AI agents to create a future that's better for everyone. It's amazing, isn't it? The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We can't wait to hear from you. And guess what? We'll see you in the next video. It's going to be amazing. You won't want to miss it.